Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Emma.
And I am Ben. Hello, everyone.
How are you today, Ben?
I am good, Emma. I am very happy to be here. How are you?
I am great. Thank you. Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to the airport.
The airport? Wow, I love travel. But the airport can be difficult. There is so much English.
Yes, airports can be busy, but do not worry. Today, we will learn easy English for airport check-in.
Airport check-in. Okay, what is check-in, Emma?
Good question. Check-in is the first thing you do. You go to a desk, you tell them, I am here. You give them your bags. That is check-in.
Ah, I understand. Check-in is the first step.
Exactly. So let's start. Imagine we are at the airport. We need two important things.
Money?
Money is good, but for check-in, you need your passport and your ticket.
Passport, ticket.
Yes, let's practice that word. Passport. Listen carefully. Passport.
Passport.
Good. One more time. Passport.
Passport.
And the second thing is your ticket or your booking reference. But usually we just say ticket.
Okay, passport and ticket.
Now, listeners, it is your turn. Please repeat after me. Emma, passport. Passport. Here is my passport.
Did I do it right? Here is my passport.
Perfect, Ben. Now, let's walk to the desk. This desk is called the check-in counter.
Check-in counter.
You see a person there. The person is the agent. You smile and say hello.
Hello.
Very good. The agent will ask you a question. Usually, they say, May I see your passport, please?
That is a long sentence. Can you say it slowly?
Of course. May I see your passport, please?
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, it means give me your passport. So Ben, imagine I am the agent. Hello, sir. May I see your passport, please?
Hello. Yes, here is my passport.
Excellent. You say, here is my passport, or simply, here you go.
Here you go. That is easy.
Yes, here you go is very friendly. Let's try again. Listeners, listen to Ben and me. Emma, good morning. May I see your ticket and passport, please?
Good morning. Here you go.
Very good. Now, listeners, you try. I will ask you. You answer, here you go. Emma, may I see your passport? Here you go.
Okay, Emma, I gave my passport. What happens next?
Next, we talk about luggage.
Luggage. That means my bags?
Yes, luggage means your bags, your suitcases. We also say bags.
Luggage. Bags.
The agent will ask, do you have any bags to check?
Do you have any bags to check? What does check mean here?
Good question. A checked bag is a big bag. It goes inside the plane. You do not keep it with you. You give it to the agent.
Ah, so a big bag is a checked bag.
Yes, and a small bag is a carry-on.
Carry-on.
You carry it on the plane. You keep it with you.
Okay, checked bag is big. Carry-on is small.
Exactly. So the agent asks, are you checking any bags?
I answer yes, one bag.
Perfect. Yes, one bag. Or no, only a carry-on.
Let me try. No, only a carry-on.
Very clear. Let's practice this distinction. It is very important. Emma, listeners, repeat after me. Emma, checked bag. Checked bag. I have one checked bag.
Emma, sometimes my bag is too heavy.
Oh no. Yes, that is a problem. The agent will ask you to put your bag on the scale.
The scale?
Yes, the machine that tells you the weight. Put your bag on the scale.
And if it is too heavy?
You might have to pay extra. We call that overweight.
Overweight, like a person.
Yes, just like a person, but for bags, your bag is overweight.
I hope my bag is not overweight today.
Me too. So you give your passport, you check your bag. Now the agent gives you a paper.
The paper? Is it the ticket?
It is special. It is called a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Why is it different from a ticket?
The ticket is what you buy. The boarding pass is what allows you to get on the plane. It has your seat number.
Ah, seat number. I like the window seat.
The window seat, yes, or the aisle seat.
Aisle seat. How do you spell that?
A-I-S-L-E. But the S is silent. You say aisle, aisle.
Aisle. Aisle seat.
The agent might ask, do you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
I say window, please.
Good. Window, please. Always say please.
Of course.
Okay, listeners, let's practice seat names. Repeat after me. Boarding pass, boarding pass. Window seat, window seat. Aisle seat.
Okay, I have my boarding pass. I have my seat. Am I finished?
Almost. The agent will circle two important numbers on your boarding pass, the gate and the time.
The gate, like a door.
Yes, the gate is the door to the plane. Gate A1, gate B5. You must go to the correct gate.
And the time?
The boarding time. This is when you must be at the gate. Do not be late, Ben.
I am never late.
Good. The agent says, here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A2. Boarding is at 2 p.m. Have a nice flight.
And I say, thank you.
Yes, you say, thank you. Have a nice day.
That sounds easy. Can we put it all together?
Yes, let's do a full role play. I am the agent, you are the traveler. Are you ready, Ben?
I am ready. I have my passport and my bag.
Listeners, listen to the full conversation. Try to understand every word. Here we go. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check and one carry-on bag.
Okay. Please place your bag on the scale. Thank you. It is not overweight. Do you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Okay, here is your boarding pass. Your seat is 15A. It is a window seat.
Thank you. Where is the gate?
Your gate is C4. Boarding starts at 2 p.m. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Very good, Ben. That was perfect.
Thank you, Emma. It feels easier now. The words are simple if we practice.
Exactly. Don't rush. Speak slowly.
Emma, before we finish, can we review the new words?
Yes, let's do a quick review. Listeners, I will say the definition. You try to say the word in English before Ben does.
Okay, I'm ready.
Number 1. The small book you need to travel to another country.
Passport.
Correct. Passport. Number 2. The place where you give your bags to the agent.
The check-in counter.
Yes, check-in counter. Number 3. The big bag that goes inside the plane, not with you.
Checked bag.
Yes, checked bag. Number 4. The paper you need to get on the plane. It has your seat number.
That is the boarding pass.
Correct. Boarding pass. And the last one, the door where you wait for the plane.
The gate.
Perfect. The gate.
I think I'm ready for the airport now.
I think so too. Remember, listeners, you can listen to this podcast again. Practice saying the words out loud.
Yes, speaking out loud is very important.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines. We hope this helps you with your travel.
See you next time. Have a safe trip.
Goodbye, everyone.